Hey guys. Did you just find him like this? Okay. Hey bud. Hey, wake up. Go and sit up for me. It's the police. Some people found you. They were worried about you. Looks like you fell down and hit your head. Hey, wake up. Hi, sit up. Go and sit up for me. Yeah, just gonna grab some gloves. This is probably the fifth. This is probably the fifth something similar to this I've had today. I think there's a really strong batch going around. He's not overdosing hard, but he's overdosing. Hi. Hey, what do you have in the back pocket here? You have another knife back there? I'm gonna just take it out of your pocket, okay? What is that? Oh, it's like a vape. How you doing, man? You've had better days. You fell and hit your head, okay? Take some Fetty recently?
No, sir.
No? Well, you're acting like it. Try to perk up. There's an ambulance gonna come look at you, okay? Get that bowl out of your pocket for me, okay? You got a bulb in there. I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna charge you with it. I'm just gonna take it, alright? Grab your lighter, your hat, your RC Cola. You sure you're gonna be alright? There's a good chance that you're not alright, so I would stay on the main roads so next time you fall out, someone calls. I'd hate for you to fall asleep somewhere and die and we can't find you. You sure you don't want to go to the hospital? When's the last time you used fentanyl? Well, there was some in whatever you smoked then. If that's not what you normally use, then you're going to be in a bad way. Alright. You say you smoke weed? You don't smoke weed out of that bowl, man. The bowl that's in here, that's not for weed. Okay. All we're trying to do is help you. I don't want to clean up your dead body later, because that is annoying. You know what I'm saying? So you use a little bit of meth or crack or something, had Fetty in it. It is what it is. Okay. So the best recommendation would be go to the hospital, especially if you're not used to using that stuff. Okay. All right. But you still don't want to go to the hospital? All right.
First name?
Be all right. All right, stick to the main roads. Don't go to the alleys. Don't go to any vacants because I don't want to pull a stinky dead body out of one, okay? All right, man.
All right, take it easy.